Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am very tired right now. You guys are the first people that I'm talking to this morning, so I still have my tired voice and I'm not fully awake yet. So first things first, I'm headed to the gym. So I am wearing my Gymshark sports bra. This is part of that vintage retro line. And then these old Gymshark leggings. I'm also gonna put on a tank top because it's cold out. So usually I wake up. Last night I self-tanned, so I had to get up and wash off my self-tan, so I hopped in the shower, threw on this outfit, and now I am going to go eat a little something and have a cup of coffee for my pre-workout. But usually on a day like today, I usually have more time in the morning, so I make an egg sandwich either on an English muffin or a bagel, and when I do a bagel, I eat like 2 eggs, 1 on each half of the bagel because bagels are really big. But this morning we have no English muffin. I decided I'm just gonna have a plain bagel, nothing on it, just a carb up, and I also have my coffee. Usually when it's not a crazy early morning, my classes are later in the day, but I have to get to school earlier today for registration, and I usually have time to make an egg sandwich, sit down, enjoy my coffee, and then hit the gym. But this morning we're rushing. I'm gonna quickly eat my breakfast. It's done. Today I am doing leg day and a little bit of glutes. I'm gonna try to focus on quads and hammies because honestly I don't want to do hip thrusts today. And I just realized how like monotone I am in the morning. Like I am not awake. I apologize about that. I promise I'll start gaining my energy as the day goes on. So I'm in the gym parking lot. I just worked out and honestly did not get the best footage. I'm not gonna lie, I had an okay workout. It wasn't the best. To be honest with you, I hate working out legs. Like I used to love working out legs, and now it's like now my favorite thing to work out is probably my entire upper body. But I'm going to head home, heat up some leftovers that I have from yesterday. Even though it's only 9:48, I might eat lunch at like 10:30. Oh, can we just, I don't even think this does it justice, but I did not do a good job self-tanning my hand, like at all. Okay, so the first thing that I do when I get home is have a glass of BCAAs. So I'm just gonna sip on these while I do all of my after gym stuff, meaning before I get in the shower, after I get out of the shower, while I brush my hair, all that stuff. My Mondays and Wednesdays are usually a little bit more relaxed than this. I usually have time to get up around 9, go to the gym, come home, shower, and while I'm getting ready, I'll watch Let's Make a Deal and The Price is Right. But today is different. I actually have to go to school like 2 hours earlier than I usually do. Okay, sorry, I was just on a phone call literally for the entire time that I had to do my makeup. I'm going to show you my outfit for today, and it's 10:37. I have to literally be out of the door by 11:05, and I'm gonna eat lunch, and I don't really want to, but I have to because I can't bring my lunch to school. I have to heat it up. It's a process. I'm literally out of breath. This shirt is from Zara. My jeans are Levi's. Shoes are the Adidas Falcons. I wear these jeans and these sneakers a lot. But my hair is wet, which I don't really care. It's gonna take hours to dry. It'll probably not be fully dry until I get home tonight. My classes on Mondays and Wednesdays go from 1 to 3:20. I usually don't end up getting home until 4 because of traffic. Looks like I'm eating lunch at 10:41 today. What are you gonna do? It's just one of those days. Change of plans. I am not leaving for school early. I've decided I am just gonna email the woman and see if I get into the class, and if I don't, I'm gonna go in a little bit earlier than my class at 1, because I'm like, why would I go in an hour early? If she doesn't register me by noon, then I'll leave my house around like 12:30. Basically, I've been trying to get into this class for about a month now, and I've been emailing like 50 million people. This has been like so stressful for the past 4 weeks. I literally have lost sleep over it, because if I don't get into this class, I have to go down to part-time, and that could screw up like my scholarship. This is actually awful and one of the worst feelings ever. I have so much anxiety, like I can't breathe. I can tell in the footage. Like I am losing my breath by just standing here and talking, and that's such a scary thing. I might end up making a series about anxiety and like how I deal with it. I mean, I've had it my entire life, so it's a journey. I just tried to eat my lunch and I could literally barely eat and swallow and get it down, which is another awful feeling, because after working out, I know how badly my body needs food. This is my current situation. I'm gonna get some work done, finish my laundry, do something to get my mind off of the chaos. So the clock strikes 11:50, the time when I'm supposed to register for classes. I'm sitting in my comfy chair. I'm like, this won't be a problem. The lady emailed me back and said she's gonna register me. Perfect. I log on to my account. I refresh the page because there's a refresh button on our self-service to register. I click refresh. I don't see a register button. All my classes say planned when they're supposed to say register. I'm refreshing. I log out. I don't know what to do. I'm freaking out. So I call my school in panic mode, and I'm literally like, I'm a senior. I'm scared I'm not gonna get into my classes. Can someone register me like through the school? Like, I don't know what to do. This lovely man gets on the phone with me and is like, I know this is gonna sound weird and bad, but I can only see the administrative side. So do you care if you give me your password over the phone? And at this point, I'm like, absolutely not. Like, take my social security number if you want. Like, I need to get into these classes. So he takes my password and he's like, I see the register button, but he can't register me. It has to be me. What browser are you using? And I said I was using Safari because I'm on a Mac, but I have Chrome downloaded because of things like this happening. And open it through Chrome and I see the register button. So thank God I can finally breathe, and I have to leave my house in like 15 minutes to get to class. And now, right after I register, guess what happened? I get hungry. It's like immediately the anxiety just goes like this, and I'm like starving. So I'm gonna try to make something, eat something really quick before I go. Okay, so I'm off to class. I don't even know if my professor's gonna be in today at 1 o'clock because he had surgery on Wednesday and it was like kind of iffy. But I checked his class website, checked my email, and I got nothing. Also, I wanted to show you guys my backpack because I've had it throughout my entire college journey. This is my backpack. It's black leather from Matt & Nat. Pretty sure it's vegan leather. I've had it for 4 years now. Another thing that I really like about it is that I can wear it with like dressier outfits. If I have a class that requires me to wear something fancy to class to present, doesn't look weird, like I'm not holding a sport backpack. And it also doesn't look weird when I do have athletic clothes on. So I love it. It's honestly crazy how my hair isn't even fully dry underneath. But I am home, I'm starving, and I am going to grab sushi with one of my friends who I haven't seen / hung out with. Sorry, my mom's walking around upstairs. And I'm really excited because it's a new sushi place in town, which is very dangerous for me because I crave sushi all the time. It's honestly amazing how I'm wearing a winter jacket right now. This is New England. I can wear a cardigan during the day and kind of be a little warm, and then at night I'm freezing. Just went to sushi. It was pretty good. I got 2 different rolls and they were good. But now I'm headed home and I'm honestly gonna do homework for a couple hours and probably take my makeup off, watch a movie or a show, and hit the hay. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I really did it. I did a full day because it's dark out now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to follow my Instagram, it is at simplytaylorb. I also have a fitness account if you're interested in following, at simplyfittaylorb. I'm probably going to film another college routine on a different day that I have school because my schedule is different on Tuesday and Thursdays, so that might be coming soon. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.